May. Next. Find out.
Your Lordship, may I be permitted to mention three matter, analogous matter, Your Lordship, for extension of interim order and
28.
another matter.
Extension interim order. CRAN application has been filed.
Please, Your Lordship.
Anticipatory. Find out. Yes. देखो तो क्या है फिर दिन virtual है virtual. Yes. ये लो. अच्छा ना.
Probably, Your Lordship, the four analogous matter which I have mentioned there for the same mentioning, Your Lordship. For the same mentioning, I have already mentioned the same, Your Lordship. That has already
Sure. Understood.
mentioned, Your Lordship. Grateful, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I am for the state in this matter.
One 137 corresponding to which section? And 305? 380.
380.
Yes. Yeah, BB.
And the neighbor.
Yes.
My lord. Victim has refused victim is 17 years old girl, my lord, and she refused her medical examination, and in her 164 I have gone through, my lord, not supporting the prosecution case. 59 page. My lord, I'm handing out. Here is the 164 statement of the victim girl, my lord. And page 49 is the refusal medical examination.
49.
49 is the refusal, my lord. She's 17 plus.
Love affairs within the principal the victim.
Okay. Okay. It's here. This is all.
Yes, my lord.
See, the sentence is incomplete. 2 marks belong.
There must be a certificate at the bottom, my lord. Yes, this is all.
This is
my
all.
lord. This is the second page, the certificate. And 49 where she refused to examine herself medically.
Transfer. No.
No.
Oh, gee.
Moina and Mr. Moinaguri is not within Kuch Bihar district. See your cost title.
Mapping. 140. Murder. There.
You must be thankful to the prosecution. Beside this, there is 161 statement of the victim, which I can refer if my lord intends to see. Text 39. Investigation
Then
is
advocate-
complete. Well,
then
investigation is complete.
Then the advocate for the petitioner submits that the victim left her house out of her own accord. Stop. There are no such incriminating materials against this petitioner, who happens to be a neighbor of the victim girl. He seeks for anticipatory bail in favor of the petitioner. Learned advocate for the state opposes such prayer. He leaves the case diary and the materials on record. It is found from the statement of the victim girl. Sorry, the victim girl in her statement does not implicate this petitioner. Only one is there.
Madam?
How many applicants are there?
One.
One. Yes. Considering the aforesaid, I'm inclined to grant anticipatory bail to the petitioner. Aim থাকবে কিন্তু শেষে বলবেন সিভিল কোঅপারেট উইথ দি ইনভেস্টিগেটিং অফিসার বাকি উনি বললেন চার্জশিট সাবমিটেড ওপরে ওনার সাবমিশনে বলে দিন upon completion of investigation charge sheet has already been submitted allowed.
Thank you. Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, thank you.
Item two,
Number two, I'm appealing on behalf of the petitioner, your lordship. The allegation is very generic in nature, your lordship. Moreover, there is section 89, which is synonymous to section 498A, your lordship. And the husband and the mother-in-law, they are already has been granted bail by the landed trial court, your lordship. Session Judge Alipurduar by an order dated 14th of July 2025. The petitioner is a brother-in-law, your lordship.
Brother-in-law.
Yes, the allegation is that she used to work in Kerala along with her husband, and when she returned, she
What
gave
is-
all the money to her mother-in-law and brother-in-law. And she
What is
was also-
64? 62 and 64?
That is at punishment for rape is 64, your lordship. Your lordship, kindly pay to page number 14, where the allegation
9.
is that ছুটিতে শ্বশুর বাড়িতে আসলে 2 নং আসামি, that is the present petitioner, your lordship, আমাকে আমাকে ঘরে একলা পাইলে আমার শরীরে হাত দেয়, এমনকি 2-3 বার আমাকে বলাৎকারের চেষ্টা করে. That is the allegation. Your
64.
lordship.
Service?
This is the affidavit of service, your lordship. But along with that statement, your lordship, the same has happened a year back. That is the allegation written in the present written complaint also, your lordship. And subsequent to that, she has not lodged any complaint, your lordship, when there was dispute between the petition between the after complainant and her husband, your lordship. The brother-in-law also got involved in that complaint, your lordship. That is the allegation, your lordship.
Where is the postal receipt on this? Postal receipt? It is not here.
They open
Open it.
Wow. Yes.
My lord, that is the 164 charge sheet is pending. My lord, he has been absconding.
I should kindly consider the allegation is very generic in nature, your lordship, just to favor the petitioner and his family members. Also, your lordship, the husband and the mother-in-law, they have already been released on the, your lordship.
Is any medical is there?
No medical.
The advocate for the petitioner submits that there are no such specific allegations against the petitioner. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Then the advocate for the petitioner submits that the allegations are, there are no specific allegations against this petitioner. Is the brother-in-law
Yes, your lordship.
who happens to be the brother-in-law of the victim lady. The husband and other co-accused persons have already been granted bail. He seeks for grant of anticipatory bail in favor of the petitioner. London advocate for the state opposes such prayer or bail no anticipatory bail.
But
Opposite.
they've already been granted anticipatory bail, your lordship. The
Co-accused
husband and the mother-in-law.
husband and the mother-in-law has been granted anticipatory bail. Opposes such prayer for bail. It is found that from the statement that there are allegations against the petitioner of attempt to rape. Be that as it may, there are no such medical documents. In view of the above, consider the above, I'm inclined to grant anticipatory bail to the petitioner. Allowed. It is more the duty names. Despite service, none appears on behalf of the victim lady. Okay. No, just to join the investigation or cooperate with the investigating officer. Or meet the investigation once at the helpline.
Number 3 and
Or
4,
the-
my lord.
Yeah.
May hard analysis.
3 and 4.
Yes, my lord.
Correct.
You are in 4, you are.
Yes.
ও এই কারণে অরিজিনাল সিডি এখানে
But he can.
না আমার ওটার মধ্যে সিডি নেই কারণ তাহলে
Antisha.
Item number 3. But the petitioner is the brother-in-law. Item number 3. Contestation.
What are the sections?
Sections are 498,
স্ট্যাটাস রিপোর্ট
302, 34 of the Indian Penal Code.
490 and 302.
302, 34 of the Indian Penal Code.
103.
আচ্ছা স্ট্যাটাস রিপোর্ট what
Or previous officer, my lord.
May I submit?
Yes.
But petitioner is a brother-in-law, my lord, and my lord. About 7 years ago, marriage was solemnized with the my lord, deceased with one my lord, Gopal Chandra Borman. My lord. Gopal Chandra Borman is the husband. My lord. But subsequently, as per the allegations, there is a demand of dowry after the marriage, demand of dowry and mental and physical torture. Subsequently, my lord, 21st of March 2024, my lord, the sister of the my lord, deceased had received a telephone call from my lord Gopal Chandra Borman, husband of the deceased, that her sister had committed suicide. But that information was received on 21st of March 2024. but they lodged a 156 complaint on 21st of February 2025, my lord, after 11 months.
21st February.
February 2025. Incident was 21st of March 2024. But the 156 was lodged on 21st of February 2025, after 11 months. There is no explanation why this delay was, my lord, happened. And my lord, other two FIR named accused person, kindly see, I have annexed the order, page 10, annexed P1. My lord, Shopon Bormon and my lord, Ramakanto Bormon. Sorry, Shopon Bormon and my lord Madan Bormon. As per the FIR, my lord, serial number 5 and 6. My lord, kindly see page number 12, FIR.
Since rejected. Shopon is there?
The page 12, Shopon Bormon and Madan Bormon, serial number 5 and 6, my lord.
Yes.
They have been granted, my lord, anticipatory bail by the learned session judge, and this Kanteshwar application was turned down.
1 and 2 being.
But I am the
in
brother-in-law,
laws of the-
aged about more 45 years old, and there is no explanation after 11 months of, my lord, the incident. This 163 has been lodged. And
Okay.
two,
Yes.
Lordship, regarding item number 3, the delay, it is explained in the written complaint itself. It was on 10/4/2024, it was reported before the police officer, but police officer did not start any case.
thereafter he did not lodge any 150.
My lord, unfortunate thing is, previously, my lord, they tried to lodge the complaint before the concerned police station. But it was vain, and thereafter, my lord, 156 clause 3 has preferred by the complaint, my lord.
After this.
And after the intimation of the superintendent of police, my lord. This is the clear explanation, is page number 4 of the case diary, my lord. Explanation is there, my lord. And all the 161 statement along with the medical and the postmortem report, my lord, is highly corroborated in the prosecution case, my lord. Still, my lord, investigation is going on. So, my lord, this is the not fit case for anticipatory bail, my lord. The present petitioner in item number 3 is a brother-in-law, and item number 4, another brother-in-law and mother-in-law, my lord. The 164 statement of the mother and the father of the victim, my lord, is crystal clear. Both statement is there, my lord.
Page number,
With the
page
case
number,
diary.
page number.
Page number, my lord, 3132. 3132. This is a status report of case
Item
4, my lord.
Lordship, item number 3 I have given. This is
Repeated
like
raid has been conducted by the concerned IO, my lord, but it was vain. Hmm.
230.
Hmm.
Where is the statement of other witnesses? Independent witness.
My lord, page 6, my lord. This is a complaint, de facto complaint statement, my lord. 180 of BNS, my lord, new act. 161 other.
Postmortem report.
Postmortem report, my lord, page 20. Due to the asphyxia, my lord, and the clinical report is still pending. After chemical examination report, I will place the supplementary charge sheet, my lord.
Or may I say something? May I say something? Marat, as per the FIR, Marat, incident was happened 21st of March 2024, Marat. And Marat, they lodged the first complaint on the police on 10th of April 2024. There is delay of 19 days. There is no explanation about now 19 days. Thereafter, the
Ashok.
police station is not there.
Learned advocate for the
No independent witness.
petitioner.
Their allegation, Marat.
Acha, state file status report which is taken on record. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that there is delay of 11 months in lodgement of the FIR. Unexplained. Unexplained delay. The case has been initiated on the basis of a complaint lodged in court under section 156(3) of the CRPC. Who has lodged the complaint?
But father of the Marat deceased.
Father of the deceased.
Sugar from the God.
Thus, the case of the prosecution is not acceptable. He seeks for the petitioner. There is no such specific allegations against the petitioner who happens to be the brother-in-law of the deceased victim. He seeks for enlargement, he seeks for grant of anticipatory bail in favor of the petitioner. Opposing such prayer, learned additional public prosecutor submits that the delay has been duly explained in the petition under section 156(3) of the CRPC. There are serious allegations against the petitioner of his involvement in the offense. This is within 7 years.
Yes, my lord.
The victim
7 years from that.
has died within 7 years of marriage. The investigation is under progress. He seeks for dismissal of the prayer for anticipatory bail. Peruse the case diary and the materials on record. From the statement of the witnesses, it is found that there are allegations against the petitioner. The post-mortem report. Acha. When did the marriage take place?
But 7 years ago, my lord. It was not written the date in the FIR. You can kindly see page 12 of my application.
Tell me from the records, when did the marriage take place? And when did she die?
But died on 21st of March 2024, madam.
24. And marriage took place? Sir,
As per the FIR, it is written about 7 years ago.
কি বললাম? The victim, as per the post-mortem report, the death was due to effects of asphyxia as a result of antemortem hanging. Considering the materials as above and the nature and gravity of the offense, reject. I'm not inclined to reject it. Similar opinion, similar mother-in-law, their allegation. Both reject.
But another application is mother-in-law, they are not carrying seat.
No.
They are in involvement.
Huh? Both reject. Penny.
Report rejected. Great,
No.
great.
Sridhar Babu, 3 and 4 is same. In 4, mother-in-law and brother,
No, another brother-in-law.
same, yeah? Next.
Lordship, I have the petitioners. Lordship, as per the last order, the it was directed to serve the victim and defect of complainant.
Service.
Victim intimated lordship and present, victim present.
Lordship, it was directed to both the petitioner and the Lordship, due to its distance, the service has not been completed yet.
Service
Yes, service completed.
completed.
Victim present lordship before this.
Yes, what is the
Lordship,
case?
my humble submission is that my learned senior is out of station due to his urgency.
You do it.
Lordship, praying for an adjournment for this.
Take instruction and move the application.
Lordship, in short passover.
Go through the records, make a submission. What are the provisions? Which section?
Section 12.
You are the sole accused.
No.
There is another
There are-
accused.
একটু পাস ওভার তখন তো দেখে নি কি আছে 10 minutes এদিকে ঢুকিয়ে রাখো
Item 6.
Application number section 21C and 29 of the UPS Act. And last section, your lordship has directed the proceedings file a report with regard to the status of the case. Action has report, your lordship.
Mafidul.
Lordship, this is the report, Lordship. Audit officer filed a non-execution report. It is under process for WPA, Lordship.
What is the case?
Indicate that 55 grams of yaba tablet was recovered from another person. The petitioner is named by the principal.
Report.
Yes, Lordship. It is within.
A report filed by the state is taken on record.
These are not from the petitioner.
And officer. What is there?
Petitioner name, Lordship, Mofidul Mia.
Case of past July lawsuit.
Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the name of the petitioner is transferred from the statement of co-accused. There is no such recovery from the possession of the petitioner. He seeks for anticipatory bail, grant of anticipatory bail in favor of the petitioner. Learned advocate for the state. What is your submission?
Lordship, 55 gram Yaba tablets is from the Afzal Mia, and his name transferred from the statement of this.
Learned advocate opposing such prayer for anticipatory bail, learned advocates for the state submits that 50,
55 gram
55 grams of 55 grams of what
Yaba
tablet?
tablet,
Yaba tablets have been recovered from the possession of
Afzal Mia.
Afzal Mia, and the name of the petitioner has transferred from the statement of the co-accused. Give the case, place the case, and he seeks for dismissal of the application. Place the case and the materials on record. It is found that the name of the petitioner is transferred from the statement of the co-accused. There is no such recovery from the possession of the petitioner. In view of the above, I am inclined to extend the benefit of anticipatory bail in favor of the petitioner, Mofidul. With the IO once in a fortnight, join the investigation. And cooperate with the investigating officer. তিনটে allowed. ঠিক থাকবে নেক্সট what happened? He is diary.
Yes, Lordship, case diary.
What is the amount to be deposited? You have deposited the amount?
No, I haven't. Last time we had a total right by the last.
Huh?
We had a total right.
Total, where is the electricity act?
Outstanding amount of 52,367 and LPSC amount is 42,000.
The last time, can you see the FIR?
136 non-billable offense?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Statement, Lordship, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20, 161 statement.
Compared with the 41 and several times they cooperated with each higher.
You have the electricity act?
Electricity Act, Electricity Act. No.
It has been marked balance sheet.
Take survey. What did you, what is the allegation against you?
The meter, earlier the meter in the name of his father. After death of his father, did not change the meter and the still meter running, but no paid any amount. Thereafter electricity board, when you reach your house, this is house,
2021.
the meter was missing, Lordship.
2021.
This is the allegation.
Initiated, they took the meter from my premises.
Yes.
And after 2025, if I has been lost, then 2001 to 2025, I have not been using the electricity meter. And they're charging me for that 2001 to 2025, 4 years.
Then well, you have made payment? You have made payment?
No,
Then
I made the payment during that time when my.
where is that?
2021, no payment was done.
2021, I have not made the payment. And your loss is, it's a huge amount of merit, unable to do.
Definitely, if you are unable to pay, then how can this anticipatory bail be allowed in a case of theft?
টাকাটা কি দিবেন আপনি?
I had a talk to with my client. He's unable to give us.
Yield attitude দেবো একে। In equal installments,
Yes,
can be
no.
payment?
Yes, sir. Interim bill থাকুক equal installment.
Huh?
Lordship, interim bill may be granted until some period, Lordship, and we deposited the amount.
Learned advocate for the petitioner. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner taken on record. Learned advocate for the petitioner. This state electricity. ঠিক করে জানতেই পারছে না ইলেকট্রিসিটি অ্যাক্টে কি ব্যাপার আছে। হ্যাঁ কি বলো? Submit that the petitioner is willing to disburse the willing to pay make payment willing to make payment of the amount in installments. The seeks for grant of anticipatory bail. Learned advocate for the state opposes such prayer. It is found that there is outstanding dues of, there is a case day materials. What is the amount?
52,367.
Dues of, admittedly, there is outstanding dues of 52,377.
67.
67. And this amount of LPSC amount of rupees 42,000. What is LPSC? You can do that.
MPSC,
Yeah.
that is the amount, if it is a case is compoundable, it's a compoundable case. So if you want to, they want to compound the case, that amount has to be deposited.
Oh. Then is 438 maintainable in case of 136 if it is compounded? Maintained. Then you deposit this amount and compound the offense. কি বললাম? And the LPSC amount is rupees 42200. LPSC. হ্যাঁ 42200 42,200 allowed করুন হ্যাঁ subject to condition 438 the petitioner
Charges submitted, Lordship.
is directed to এটা করাই যাবে না করা যাবে না রিকভারি এজেন্ট করা যাবে না
My lord, one indulgence, my lord, this.
difficulty is that the recovery cannot be directed.
This is the late payment surcharges, my lord. And it is
Oh.
calculated on the estimated, means the average billing, which used to be from the premises. It's called the late payment surcharge amount. As per the percentage of the
Reject করো।
outstanding bill.
Then you go back to the court, make payment of that amount,
Yes, Lordship.
or seek for installment before the court. Why anticipated bail? Both the amounts are given, you can opt for that.
Kindly.
Then dismiss both of you. Huh? They're dues. Huh? In view of the above. Rejected her.
Also kindly pass an interim protection. Let there be a direction for it. Kindly.
No.
It's very difficult.
Rejected. Yeah.
I can aid.
Eight.
Right.
468, 471, forgery.
The process of gender submitted some document, they found that for this reason, case was registered and subsequently tender was cancelled. And that initially was 35 to 141 notice was issued, I complied. As per order served by the Honorable Court, I came into the investigation officers have submitted all the document. I cooperate in all respect, I cooperate with the investigating agency.
My lord, this is the report. He complied the.
But what about the documents he has?
My lord, it was seized by the investigation
Then
officer and
it
verified.
is a fabricated document which he has produced before the authority for getting the
No.
tender.
Investigation is still going on.
What about the documents?
It will be verified, my lord. This is the report, my lord, that he already submitted those documents. And that there is the tender was cancelled, my lord.
So here uploaded false and you have completed the work.
No, not completed, madam. Work not allotted to me also.
It was cancelled, my lord. My lord,
Obtaining tender, I submitted some document, saying that the document was tender not granted, there is no money lost to the government. I annexed this one tender.
Case diary? Case diary?
yes, sir. Case studies. He completed the last order of the coordinate bench, and I was seized from those documents, my lord. He completed the last order sheet of the court.
And where is the later of the IO sending those documents for expert's opinion?
My lord, actually, my lord, it was retained to the office, the CD. So there is charge sheet not submitted.
Charge sheet submitted?
No, my lord. Charge sheet not submitted.
Forwarding the same inception. Order
These documents are not proper, that is admitted position.
damage or anything
Learned advocate for the no. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that. The oh,
any stringent condition, I have that cooperate. I cooperate, order passed by the court, I submitted whatever my.
what are the nature of document? Photocopy of
What is the benefit of the purpose of custody or interrogation?
Hmm.
Anything, man.
what was the nature of the document which he placed in the
My lord,
Page 14 3 my page 14 15 my earlier 35 3 41 and then also I cooperate nothing I not I get it.
What is the nature of the document which was uploaded for getting the tender?
7 and 8. May I just case diary, ma'am?
There's no money loss of damage.
Fabricates the document of the block development officer.
Damage.
That is what you have submitted. Work completion certificate issued by block development officer Suti 2. Well,
No loss.
a report filed by the state is taken on record. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the, as per order of this court, the petitioner have attended and joined the investigation.
There's no chance that I will see from the investigating agency or both.
Into ভেতরে থাকবে, work must be followed up.
My lord, page 70 and 71 also.
70 and
Page 70 and 71.
one is this, another photocopy,
The petitioner
Work
submitted
order.
those documents
okay, work completion certificate.
physically. After completing the order, my lord, the petitioner submitted the work order and the work completion certificate of page 70 and 71. He handed over the documents, those documents.
But these documents are not proper.
No,
See,
actually,
for,
there is no.
for getting a tender,
Yes,
there are certain conditions that he has experience of doing such and such work.
yes.
He has done such work. The completion certificate was called for. He placed the documents showing that block development officer Suti 2 has issued such and such work order in his favor and completion
Yes, my
certificate.
lord, yes. But after this, this is the report.
This
my
is a
lord.
document which has been fabricated as if that has been issued by the block development officer.
No, it was not verified. No. This is
Verified
the
like-
report after compliance. After compliance of the coordinate bench order, the IO seized those documents, and this is the report, my lord. Only
But these are not proper documents. Correct.
it has to be verified, my lord.
Verified.
Tender cancelled, I think my property is it's not proof, but it's not proper and can you call for further report whatever my submitted document. There are
Treated as cancelled.
My lord,
Well, you will know. Report filed with the state is taken on record.
As per order of this court, you have resigned attended and joined the United States.
Although the report states that the petitioner has admitted that the documents are false and fabricated documents. However, the same has not been verified from the office of the authority concerned. Investigating officer is state is directed to furnish a report, verification report of the document submitted by the petitioner before the investigating agents. Monday.
Monday.
Item number, hमारी पास ओवर पे
অমিতাভকে তো ভুল করতে নয়, অমিতাভবাবু নামটা ভুল করছে, একটু বলে দিন, পার্টির নাম ভুল। ইয়েস,
Some for the state.
নেই তো কেউ। পরেরটা
Maybe
document-
very much present, my lord.
পরের document।
না,
Item number 9.
Lordship, item number 9, Lordship, kindly fix it tomorrow, Lordship, one report call for from the PS for proclamation. What is, report is ready, Lordship. Today we received the,
All the matters.
This is that.
Wait, what is your report? Have you seen the records?
Yes, my lord. My instructions are no, there is no proclamation of arrest. Learned trial court Sawyer has instructed.
On the prayer of learned advocate for the state, release this matter on Monday.
Item 10.
Item 10, my lord, I am appealing for the state, my lord. One compliance report was
None
called
appears on
for.
behalf of the
The
petition.
report has come, but the case diary is not. I have not received the case diary. This is the compliance report.
These are not.
Oh, other side is the.
There is a Bengali proverb, দেখি সবে গেল ধান না।
Who is following whom?
Then I, Secretary of this bar requested me to advise my lord.
Thank you.